In this video, I'm going to show you how to see recently deleted on TikTok, or basically how to view deleted posts in TikTok. And what you're going to do for this is you're going over to your profile, you're going to click on the top right hamburger icon, you click on settings and privacy, and in here you click on activity center. Here we scroll a little bit down and there we see recently deleted. We click on this, and as you can see, these are all your recently deleted videos on TikTok. And you can click on it and then you will be able to see it again and you will be able to restore this. And if you want to make it disappear in here, you just need to wait for the 30 days because as you can see, there is no option at the moment to permanently delete it yourself. And it also says posts will be permanently deleted after the shown time. So after 30 days in this case, this post will be deleted. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.